things go better with Coke. Coke means Coca-cola. Things go better with Coke. And it was for years and years and years this was being advertised. And everyone knows that advertising is an attempt to induce you to spend your money and give it to someone else, and they'll give you something in return, but it's understood from the advertisement that they're hyping the product, that they're promising something more than you'll actually get if you buy that product. So the idea that by drinking Coke, and they show pictures of young people or men, young boys and girls, all laughing together, all happy, all very good looking, of course, and holding Coke bottles, Coca-cola. So the promise is there that, well, you drink Coca-cola and all of a sudden your ugly body is transformed into a beautiful body, and you have all these other beautiful people all around you, and it all comes with Coke. And it's nonsense, of course it's nonsense, but people agree to be cheated. The advertising works. People buy Coke. Otherwise, Coca-Cola, it's, as I remember years ago, it doesn't taste particularly nice, but they advertise it and people think, must be good. It's in the advertisement, you see. So many people, and they drink, and then your money's gone, and you didn't get anything except some sugar and chemicals. And but then you see advertisement again. It's incessantly advertised. So people, that's a simple example of how people agree to be cheated, and they don't mind because it's sense gratification. I gave the money, and there was I got some sense gratification. Not as much as was advertised, but I got some sense gratification. So people are accustomed to and accept being cheated at some level. In this regard, I'm going to quote from where? Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda. Now I'm going to quote from Noel Coward, who you haven't heard of. He was an English playwright. He's now maybe who knows where in this vast universe. But he made a good point. He said, it's discouraging to think how many people are shocked by honesty and how few by deceit. In Hindi, as Prabhupada used to quote, Sach bole to mare lati, jhoot jagat mohai. If you speak the truth, you should be beaten with a stick. You tell all lies, people feel very nice. They like to be cheated like this. So the whole, what to speak of some Coke advertisement, the whole society is a society of cheaters and cheated, and we agree. Everyone is compact. Everyone is in the conspiracy theory. It's not a theory, it's a fact that we all encourage each other to take part in this massive fraud of thinking we're going to be happy in this material world. We just have to make a few little adjustments. If only the Kaveri water was allowed into Tamil Nadu, then the farmers in Tamil Nadu might think, if they gave us our fair share, then everything would be wonderful. The governments are cheating, the mass media are cheating, the educational system, work hard, you'll get a good job. Yeah, like so many other well-educated people standing on the side of the road selling cloths for wiping your windshield. Yeah, very good job. But